Our globe is more than 70% water, and it is home to a wide range of species, from tiny krill to huge whales. Water may be found all across our globe, and each sort of water body has unique roles, characteristics, and sizes. A river is a moving body of water that runs through channels. The bed is the bottom half, while the banks are the sides. They normally head for the ocean, a lake, a pond, or another river. Melting snow, rain, or glaciers can all provide water to rivers. Rivers are typically made up of fresh water and flow downhill from their source. The direction of the river's water source is upstream, often known as upriver. The direction in which the water flows is downstream, often known as downriver. The Earth is home to over 76 rivers. Because rivers flow downhill, most people believe that all rivers flow south, although 4 of the world's 10 longest rivers flow north. The Nile River, which is approximately 6,650 kilometers long, is the world's longest river. The Amazon River, which is 6,400 kilometers long, follows the Nile. Rivers are an important source of trade and transportation for mankind. Streams are miniaturized versions of rivers. Brooks and creeks are other names for them. They are often a free-flowing channel of water that follows gravity's pull downhill. They eventually flow into other streams, lakes, or the ocean. Watersheds are formed by the hills that exist between the stream and other bodies of water. Lakes are large bodies of water surrounded by land that, unlike rivers, are not part of the ocean. Lakes, unlike rivers, do not flow and are relatively quiet pools of water. They are substantially larger than ponds and can contain either salt or fresh water. The Dead Sea, the world's lowest lake, is located in Israel and is 1,371 feet below sea level. Ojos del Salado, the world's highest lake, is located in a crater in the Andes Mountains on the boundary between Chile and Argentina. It stands 20,965 feet tall. A subglacial lake is another form of lake that is permanently covered by ice. Lake Vostok in Antarctica is the world's largest subglacial lake. Lakes can arise from a variety of systems, including volcano craters, sinkholes, and even man-made dams. The Caspian Sea is the world's largest lake, and its coastline is shared by 5 countries: Russia, Iran, Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, and Turkmenistan. The Volga River is the largest of approximately 130 rivers that feed into the Caspian Sea. A gulf is a section of the ocean that enters land. Because they are generated by movements in the Earth's crust, gulfs vary in size, shape, and depth. A gulf is formed when the Earth's tectonic plates rift or break apart. They frequently make great ports. Gulfs are home to many key trading centers. Some gulfs are linked to the ocean by narrow waterways known as straits. Some gulfs have huge entrances and can be indistinguishable from larger bodies of water. The Mexican Gulf, the Gulf of Carpinteria, and the Persian Gulf are all well-known gulfs. The Mexican Gulf is the largest gulf in the world. The Gulf of Carpentaria is located on the northeast coast of Australia. The Persian Gulf is vital to Middle Eastern countries because of trade, proximity to the Indian Ocean, and enormous petroleum supplies. Saltwater covers around 71% of the Earth's surface. The ocean is the name given to this vast quantity of water. It is separated into 5 major oceans, all of which are linked. It is found on all 7 continents. Humans have only examined 5% of the fauna found in the oceans. The world's oceans have an average depth of about 12,200 feet. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge, the world's longest mountain range, is actually under the sea. The rotation of the Earth causes ocean tides, while the gravitational attraction of the Moon and Sun acts on the ocean waters. The seas provide around 70% of the oxygen humans breathe. The Pacific Ocean, which lies between Asia/Australia and North/South America, is the largest of the 5 major oceans, accounting for approximately 30% of the Earth's surface. The Atlantic Ocean, which separates Europe/Africa from North/South America, is the second largest ocean. The Indian Ocean is the world's warmest ocean, covering 14% of the planet's surface. It connects East Africa with Australia. The Arctic Ocean, sometimes known as the Arctic Mediterranean Sea, is the world's smallest and shallowest of the 5 major oceans. The Arctic Ocean is the world's coldest ocean. It extends across 3 continents, Europe, Asia, and North America. The Southern Ocean is the body of water that surrounds Antarctica. Antarctica is surrounded by the waters of the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. A waterfall is the descent of a body of water, such as a stream or river, over a bedrock ledge. It is also a region where melting snow or ice flows over the edge of an ice shelf or iceberg. To survive, we all require water. Water is necessary for survival. Significant volumes of water are required to support population expansion. Large bodies of water contain significant resources for human societies. Many human civilizations value fish and shellfish because they are high in protein and vitamins that aid in human development. Larger objects can be transported over longer distances by water. The world's early commercial economies centered on water. People relied on bodies of water to exchange their goods in the early days of trading.